everybody, it's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for joining me. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. And if you're returning, hey, Shug Muffins. Alright y'all, so we have the very first synthetic wig review of 2022. I'm super excited. Like, I ain't really missed a beat, y'all. Like, I ain't had a break yet. Well, I kind of had a break, but I ain't had a break from recording. So, I am here. I'm ready. We're going to have a phenomenal year in 2022. I'm super excited about it. So, the wig I'm reviewing today comes courtesy of Sam's Beauty. Huge shout out and thank you to Sam's Beauty for sending me this wig. I truly, truly appreciate it. So, the wig I'm reviewing today is from Outre from the Melted Hairline Collection. I have this unit in the style KATIANA and in the color DR Chocolate Swirl. So, let's just go ahead, y'all. Let's dive right on into this review.
Alright y'all, so here's the stock card for KATIANA, and she does come in some really pretty specialty colors. Now this is the hair shade out of the package. As you can see, it has that really nice Yaki texture. It has a pretty decent hairline, but a really nice parting space. Has a standard cap construction with the 2 combs on the sides, 1 in the back with the adjustable straps, and it has that attached elastic band. The lace is a little too light for me, so I'm going in with this Magic Tanning Matte Finish Lace Tint in the color Dark Brown. And this is what it looks like as a result. All right, so let's go ahead and get this baby on. I feel like it's going to be a super easy install. Now, of course, with the melted hairline, this unit claims to have a pre-plucked hairline, and I think it's lacking in that department. Not very pre-plucked at all. So I decided to just go in and do some minimal plucking right in the front. You don't have to do this. This is just me being extra. This is just something I like to do to try to make it look as natural as possible. As you can see, it's a pretty big difference in just doing that very little plucking. Big difference. So now I'm just going to brush away all of that hair that I plucked out while brushing off my earring in the process. But this is all the hair that I ended up plucking out. So to cut off the lace, I like to cut it in 3 little sections and then just use my, eyebrow razor to cut it off because it gives more of that jagged edge versus you trying to do it with the little scissors. Now I'm just adding some bobby pins on the side for some added security. I usually do this when I don't plan on gluing the unit down. So because I can see pieces of the lace peeking out, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Magic Root Precision brush just to darken the color of the lace so that it blends with my skin. Now I'm going to add just a couple swoops here in the front. Now this unit claims to have some natural baby hairs, but I didn't necessarily find them, so I'm pretty much just creating my own, as I always do anyway, no big deal. But I didn't see the baby hairs. Maybe I cut them off, I'm not too sure. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment.
Alright y'all, so after styling KATIANA super quickly, let's go ahead and get into my thoughts. Very easy breezy kind of unit, y'all. Beginner friendly, all of that. Takes no time. I love when a unit is lazy girl friendly, where you don't have to do a whole lot. Now, granted, I did a little extra, but you don't have to do that. I did go in and pluck it as you saw, but you don't have to do that. I'm just extra, y'all. Don't mind me. I'm just extra. I can't help it. I'm just extra. Now, of course, with the Melted Hairline Collection, there are quite a few claims. One of those claims is the HD transparent lace. I do feel like it's a very meltable lace. Now, this is the second time I am using this lace tint, which is a Magic Tanning Matte Finish Lace Tint, not Healer Lace Spray. I do have this in the color Dark Brown. I've only tried this spray one other time, so I'm just trying it a few more times to see if I like it. So far, so good, y'all. Like, I wasn't a big fan of the Ebin tint spray, because I couldn't, like the color just wasn't all the way right. Like it just didn't come all the way together. What reference is this? All the way? Anyway, I ain't gonna, okay, whatever. I'm always quoting stuff. I'm always, okay, anyway. But yeah, so I do like this so far. So far, so good. So I will be sure to list all the products that I use down in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. So this unit also claims to come with a 5-inch deep parting space, which is true. I can agree to that. Now, it does have this pre-attached elastic band, which I feel like would generally give you that glueless effect where you don't have to glue it down, which I love. She's glueless, sis. She's glueless. So all in all, y'all, like, this was a winner for me. Like, I really like KATIANA. Like, she probably would have been a nice honorable mention in my top faves of the year. Number one, because of this texture, honey. Yes, this nice Yaki texture. Oh, you know, you already know I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Like, winner, winner. And then the fact that there's like no tangling, it's minimal shedding. I am here for this, and I love this color, y'all. This old DR Chocolate Swirl, very pretty. I would normally go for like a natural black in a wig like this, but I'm glad I went for a little chocolate, little chocolate. And look, you can see a little highlights going on up in here. Very pretty color, y'all. And she also comes in some other pretty specialty colors, as I showed you at the beginning. All right, so let's get into the price. You can find this unit on MsEbonyVee.com for a whopping $39.99, y'all. Under $40, can't beat it. Now keep in mind, for specialty colors, it is an additional $2, which is not bad. I can handle $2. Like that's okay for a specialty color like this. A-okay. This is a nice unit, y'all. I highly recommend this one. Like, if I had to give it a rating, I normally don't give a rating in my videos. I always give a rating in my description box. So if you're ever wondering how I rate a wig, make sure you check that description box, because most of the times I forget to say it on the video. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, this memory, it's just not too swift, y'all. It's just not too swift. So I put everything you need to know down in the description box. Check it out. Also, make sure you check out MsEbonyVee.com for a plethora of other items or beauty supply needs. Anything wig related, anything beauty supply related, you'll find it on MsEbonyVee.com. So make sure you check them out. All right, y'all. So that's really all I have for you today. I'm like excited about this joint. I can go out and feel real good in this one tonight, because I'm going out tonight, honey. Yes, this is cute. Ow. So as always, I would love to know what you guys think about this unit, so let me know down in the comments below. Let's go ahead and chat about it. You know I'm nosy, you know I want to know. Also, if you have made it this far, go ahead and leave me this little chocolate bar right here down in the comments below, so that I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin. And you know I love and appreciate you for that. I truly do. Y'all be rocking with me, man. I got so much love for y'all, because you really be rocking with me. Like, you don't know, you just don't know what that does to my little heart. It makes me feel warm and fuzzy up over here. Warm and fuzzy. I thank you all so much for rocking with me today. I truly appreciate it. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, sugar. And I'll be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next video.